guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, sorry if you can hear my husband in the background, he's listening to videos. Helps if I spell it right. February week number 2 is what we're in now. Not a huge budget this week. So my husband is getting unemployment now, and I had originally budgeted for him to get 2 weeks, which he should, but they're on 2 different years worth, basically. His previous one was expiring and his new one was taking effect, and so we're still waiting on the approval on the second one. So got paid for 1 week of unemployment, and he got paid on 2/8, and so this is $310.41. And then for other, we've got $363.48. This is coming from our niece, like I said, is staying at our old house. And so for the rent, we're going to call it, this is what she's paying for one of the things that's going to come out. So $363.48 came out of the money that she gave to us. And the neighbor's dogs are barking, so it's going to be a noisy video in the background. Sorry, guys. So grand total, that puts us at $673.89. And real quick, while I'm thinking of it before... So we need to go back here, and I made an error on last week's budget. So I put $2,157.47. I accidentally somehow missed the Capital One payment of $82.45. So this is actually $2,239.92. Okay, I just have to say, I have this Papermate Dryline Ultra. It sucks. Don't waste your money on it. It's awful. So for payments for week number 2, it was $2,239.92, leaving me with a balance of $526.03. Yeah, that looks awful. That looks really rough. But either way, because I was looking at it and I'm like checking against my checking account, and I'm like, something is not adding up right here. So, and our starting balance is the $526.03. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our income, which was $673.89. This is a very low budget this week. We only actually had income of $310.41, so very small. All right, so let's go up here to the Chase. Starting balance was $0 on 2/4. We had plenty of money that came out, but just not a lot that came in this week. So 2/4 at the Shell. It was $20.99. That he spent out of his allowance. So then on 2/4, he stopped at the Marathon and got gas in his truck, and that was $30.04. Then on 2/4, I went grocery shopping and at Walmart. So total for other was $56.27. And grand total that I spent at Walmart was $154.31. So if you took the 154 and subtracted out the 56, it's what I spent in groceries, and then this portion came out of other. So like I got toilet paper, a few different things. Next was on 2/4 through Amazon. We spent $99.52. Like I talked about in one of my previous videos, we got broken into, and so we spent some money on security stuff. So $99.52 for that. And then on 2/6, at Speedway, I got gas in my car. And that was $25. Okay. And then on 2/6, went to Meijer. This was grocery stuff. So this was $91.16. Then on 2/7, that was Tuesday, I stopped at Burger King and got myself breakfast. And that was $4.11. Then also on 2/7, I didn't want to cook and Dane didn't really care, so we ended up with Taco Bell for dinner. And we actually have 2 of them on 2/7 because I forgot to get his sauce, and so I had to run back and get that. So we had $16.32 and then $2.65. Next was on 2/8 for Amazon. This was some more stuff that we ordered for the property. And this was $42.39. Then on 2/8, we actually went and did some shopping, and we went to Menards and Home Depot. And we also went out to dinner. So we went out to dinner. We went to Great Wall. We went to the Chinese buffet. And that was $30.90 because we were out all day after work and did not feel like cooking when I got home. So then at Menards, this was $112.59. And we'd used some of it from a gift card that they do like their 11% cash back, and so we had some money from that went to it as well. We were buying stuff for our bathroom. So we got a new mirror, we got a light fixture. What else did we get? Got some painting supplies. And we got something else, and I can't remember what now. Because we spent a bunch at Home Depot. So, we bought our light fixture at Home Depot. That's what it was. I'm like sitting here trying to think. I'm like, what did we spend so much money on? So these ones are going to come out of our home budget. Just to like keep track of what we are spending on our house. So Menards we did $112.59, and then at Home Depot we spent $257.58. Oof, it's a lot. We also got, so this was our light fixture, and we also bought a new faucet for our sink. Because we're changing everything out to black in our, it's going to be black and white themed in there. Then, on 2/10, I had to, on my lunch break, run to the doctor's office back in the town we used to live in because of my kidney stone, and I needed my prescriptions refilled. So I stopped and got lunch. I went to KFC. I tried their new little wraps that they got. That was $5.30. They were not that great. I'd rather have they're basically the same thing as their little snackers. They just put it in a tortilla instead of on a bun. I'd rather have it on the bun, I feel like. And then I also went to McDonald's because they had a free medium fry if you spent at least $1, it must have been. Or on any purchase. I don't remember what it was exactly. So I got a medium fry and I got a large Diet Coke. And so that was $1.37. So yeah, it must have been $1. Then on 2/10, I also had to stop and get gas that day. So I went to the Shell. Let's Trailblazer, gas. And I put $15.03. It was cold. I didn't want to stand outside, so I just put a little bit in. And then on 210, Dane took back to Menards. He took back the mirror because it didn't actually fit. It was too big. And so returned the $112.59. And he got the new mirror. He actually ended up write that down. He ended up getting a different mirror style than we had originally picked out, but I really liked it. And then what else did he get? He got some more stuff he needed for doing the bathroom, and he bought a trash can for outside for picking up dog poop. So at Menards, he ended up spending $147.10. Also on 210, I got my prescriptions refilled, so I went to CVS. That was $14.30. And when I was at the doctor's, she wants me to start tracking my blood pressure at home instead of them just doing the one-time thing. So I ordered a blood pressure cuff off of Amazon. And that was $28.61. All right, so if we add all these up and subtract out the Menards return, it's a lot. We're looking at $986.68. Then let's go over here to the Capital One. So, Capital One has a starting balance of $0. On 210, we got propane at our old house. This is covered by rent, her rent money. And so that paid $363.48, which is where I got what I took out up here. And then also, apparently I was just making a bunch of mistakes before. And our cash back, I actually did the wrong amount. So we're going to do a correction. And so we're going to subtract out another $1.24. I think I looked at the amount and I wrote it down, and then I actually cashed it out at a later date, and so it had earned a little bit more. Is the only thing I can think. So if we... Oh, I'm sorry. That was not my starting balance. I forgot we had the one that didn't go through. Our starting balance was actually $351 because we had the insurance policy on the tractor that I forgot about. So if we add those together, subtract out the cash back, that leaves us with a total on the Capital One of $713.24. Now, I don't have enough. So if you look at these two down here, add them together, I don't have enough to pay for both of these in full. There's just not enough. And so that's what's nice with doing the credit cards is instead of overdrafting our account or, having to immediately take this out of our savings, because don't worry, this money will be paid off before it collects any interest. That won't happen. It just won't be paid off fully for the week. So what we're going to end up doing is I put $486.68 towards the Chase card. That left me with a balance of $500. And then on the Capital One, I made a payment of $413.24, leaving me with a balance of $300. So we still have a balance that's going to roll over to next week when I will get paid, and we can pay it down even more. But that's just how it worked out. So we're going to go down here to the payments. This is what actually comes out of our checking account. So on 211, all of them are going to be on 211. We did the Chase for $486. $86.68. And we did the Capital One for $413.24. I just like to have even numbers, so that's why I did it like that. And then I sent out the payment for our tractor payment. And that is $227.20. So if we go ahead and add all of these up, that is a total of $1,127.12. So we're going to put that over here, $1,127.12. If we add these two together, subtract that out, it leaves us with a balance of $72.80. I like to keep a little something in my checking account at all times. So this is my first week since we started this channel, or started keeping track of my budget again, that I have had a balance left on the credit cards. It's not something I want to do a lot. No matter what, this will get paid off by the end of the month. So my goal is to take as little as possible out of the savings. So instead of just taking it out now, putting money back, whatever, I just will do it this way. Leave a balance on the card. It's not earning any interest. It's still within that period where it's not earning interest. So we're safe there. But, yep, that's what we're looking at. It's not the goal to have this happen, but it will happen every once in a while, especially right now when we're dealing with limited income. It was a lot less than we were actually planning for. We were planning for a full 2 weeks of unemployment. We only got one. So that does make a difference. And that's just kind of how it works out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. I do appreciate it. It helps to keep me motivated that you guys watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed already, I hope that you will. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Not our best week ever, you know, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.